Hive beetle. Sorry.
Good job.
Do you want it flicked off?
No, I don't give a fuck. I'll get rid of the dead body.
Sorry.
So, come on, out of the way. So we've still just got honey, honey, honey across the top here. Yep. Haven't made any moves at expanding up top.
Mm-hmm.
This one's fairly empty. But you can see they've started storing honey up here again. And then I've got a blank, and then we've got the other honey frame. So yeah, they're starting to cap it.
Cool.
And this side's pretty much empty. Okay, so now we'll open the bottom box.
Didn't bring a spare box.
It's alright. Okay.